draw an elf on the shelf. So we're going to get the black crayon.
I found it, just ignoring me.
And we're going to just do a triangle. And then just a line down on both sides and then join it up like that. Then we're going to do a round head like that. And we do zigzags at the bottom. Then we draw a circle, then another circle, and little dots in the eyes. Then it looks like eyes. Then we do a smile. And then just do this, like that. And then we go like that, and then like that, like that. And then we've got a body. Then we do a triangle in the side, and two arms, like that. An elf. Then red. Get red. And we colour in the hat. Just the triangle, not the what? Not this bit. Not that bit. Then we colour in the arms. And not this bit. And then we colour in the body and the legs in red. Not the brim, not his handkerchief, not that bit. And then get the peach, colour in it all except the eyes and this bit. Then that will be our face. A cheese sandwich, please. And then we've got an elf on the shelf. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.